Joe Beermaster, a 2006 Chevy Monte Carlo. This goes for multiple years. I'm going to show you how to take the tail light out, and I'm also going to show you how to change the bulbs if you need to. First thing we want to do is open the trunk. And if you look in here, you can see there's trim, so you can't access it. So we got to take that trim out. What we do, we get a clip remover tool, or you can use something to pry it out, angle cutter, whatever. See the little push-ins. We're gonna have to get that out to self-install. Take all the clips to access that.
These have it.
Just bring that up there, top. Take that off. Everything out of the way as best we can, and inside
there's more wing nuts.
Or more wing nuts, or you can use a 10 millimeter or spin them off. Pretty much the light's going to come out. This is actually a pretty easy one. This is an oldie but goodie. So you spin them out.
They're really hard to find.
On top of the Alright, so there's actually 3 of them, but there was only 2 on this one. So now that they're loose, we're going to try to wiggle this out. And there you go.
The third one was on the trim inside.
Alright, yeah, the third one was on the trim, so you had to take that off before you take the trim off. So there was 3. Now if you want to change the assembly, disconnect that socket just like that. If you want to change the bulbs, you spin them.
And they're keyed. They have a big one and 2 smaller ones.
And then you just pull it straight out. And right there is a little number. I don't know if you can see me pulling that out. It's a little number on the bulb, or you can go to your local supply place, put that back in. Get the new one, go to your local supply house and tell them what it's for. And tell them it's for what year Monte Carlo, if it's a tail light, stop light, whatever. Turn signal, they know what it is. You just replace it. There's the other one, same thing. There you go. And then once you get the bulb, you test it and then put everything back together. Real easy. Joe Beermaster, thanks for watching. I hope you appreciate this and it helps you out. Thank you.